How to see how many hours you have played on Roblox. So unfortunately, there is no way to see the total hours you've played on the Roblox app itself. You can just check how much you've played within the day or the past 10 days using your settings application. So go ahead and open your settings, search for battery, or you can just scroll down and find battery here. Click on that, wait for your activity to load below, and once it's loaded, scroll down and tap on the text Show Activity. This will show you the total time you spent on the app in the last 24 hours. So just scroll down and find Roblox among here. To see the time you spent on the app for the last 10 days, go and tap Last 10 Days option on the top of the graph. Scroll down again and find Roblox, and as you can see, the time spent is displayed here. So that is how to see how many hours you have played on Roblox. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.